Quarter 4, 7th and 8th grade STEM rotation connection. This is Mrs. Ashberger. I'm going to walk you through how to find the tutorials on Scratch. If you hear a little voice in the background, that might be my son talking and singing and whatnot. But anyways, so here is your Scratch home screen. So you should see this toolbar up in the top that says Scratch, Create, Explore. You should have your sign in plus a drop down that will show you your profile, your classes that you're in, and then this file folder right here will show you your project that you have. So let's go ahead and jump in. So you're going to click on Create. Okay. And so once you get into the actually the program, you'll see the workspace, which is this middle part right here. You'll see the display window, which is right here. You'll see your block codes, which are on the left-hand side, and then the different blocks that you're going to be using. The ones that I want you to really pay attention to are the control blocks and then the event blocks right here. Okay. We're going to specifically focus on talking about the forever blocks, the if-then blocks, and then creating variables within your code. All right, so let's get to it. So you're going to come back up to the top here where it says tutorials. And so all these different tutorials right here are at your disposal if you want to use them. But for specifically our class right now, you are going to do the make a chase game and make it fly. You're going to be doing both of those. So let's go ahead and click on make a chase game. And so on Scratch, the tutorials are beautifully laid out. They are on like little slides. So you can play the actual video that will show what you're actually going to be doing. So in this instance, you're going to be creating a chase game where your character, your sprite, is going to be chasing after something else. And then you're going to gain points for that. And it's beautiful. So you can let the video play, you can pause it, and then you can, you know, go on if you already know how to do those different kind of things. Okay. So it'll talk you through where it is, where all these different parts are, where your sprites are, where your backdrops are. So just for your knowledge, you're creating a sprite, which is essentially just your character that you're coding, and your backdrops are both in the lower right. Okay. So you'll follow the tutorial. You'll move your blocks to the workspace that are in the middle, and then you'll create a project. Okay. After you are finished with that, then you are done for right now, and I will do another tutorial on how to upload it to our studio, our class studio. By the time this week is done, you'll have 2 projects that you have created. And I think that's it. If you have any questions, please, please, please don't hesitate to email or send me a message on Google Classroom or anything else like that. But I hope y'all are doing great, doing well. Yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in the near future sometime soon. All right. See ya. Bye.